today I have another really cool salad and I have some really cool ingredients that I wanted to show you. Baseline of the salad is just lettuce that I picked from the garden. On top I have some sauerkraut, and this one is Polish sauerkraut, but if I can't get Polish one, I buy German one, and so they are both equally good. Also, what I have right in the middle of the salad there is salmon. This is the John West Wild Pacific salmon. Not sure if you can see that okay. And this is really good. It's full of omega-3 and it's absolutely perfect as your sort of source of protein and good fats for your salad. So definitely include that. And also right here, you can see a lot of basil. I grow basil myself on the windowsill, and it grows really well, super easy to grow. But when you're growing basil, you need to water it regularly. So don't forget to water it because it is very thirsty. And if you can get a pot that it's self-watering pot, that's even better, because then the basil will soak up all the water as it requires it. Okay, what else have I got? And right on top, I have managed to put some avocado oil. Avocado oil is anti-inflammatory, it's absolutely fantastic. I buy this one at the moment. It's really good and it has that nice nutty flavour. So definitely recommend that one. And to get a little bit of tartiness into the salad, I also added some unwaxed lemon. So this is just juice from the lemon, but I buy unwaxed lemons because I use the whole lemon in other things. So I tend to cut up the lemon into pieces once I have taken the juice out for salads, for example, and then I freeze the smaller pieces and then I use it in smoothies. So if you want that lemony taste, then in your smoothies it's absolutely perfect. The lemon itself, so the skin, the pulp and everything is fantastic as a detox. So buy definitely unwaxed lemons and then you can use the whole thing, you don't throw away. You can also grate it, you can grate this lemon zest for cooking as well. So that's my salad for today. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you next time.